Good morning, students. Yesterday we have done few numericals. Today I'll discuss few optional based questions, that is multiple choice questions of our second chapter, Force and Laws of Motion. So see students here. Newton's second law of motion gives us a measure of. We know the Newton's second law, that is the rate of change in momentum is directly proportional to applied force. So let us see the option. First one is inertia. It is wrong. Second, force. Yes, this is right option. Third is momentum and fourth is acceleration. No. Out of all these four option, B is right answer. Next question. The change in the momentum of a body in 0.01 second is 10 kg meter per second. The force acting on this body is. So, from Newton's second law, calculate the force. We know that force is equal to change in momentum by time. Change in momentum. So here you see change in momentum we are having 10 by time we are having 0.01. So what we will get it the force? Force we will get it, that is 1000 Newton. So let us see the option. First 10 Newton, wrong answer. B is also wrong. C is also wrong, 100 Newton. And the last option is D, 1000 Newton. So it is right answer. Question number 3. Momentum measures the amount of. First choice is inertia in body. No, inertia is related to first law. Second, acceleration, it is also wrong answer. Velocity, it is also wrong answer. Quantity of motion of a body, yes, D is right answer. I think I have taught you momentum is the total quantity of motion contained in a body. So option D is right. Come for next. Two bodies of equal masses m moving with equal velocity v in opposite direction collides. The resultant velocity of the combination is, now you see both the body is moving in opposite direction. So velocity is vector quantity. If it is moving right hand side and we are taking v, naturally which is moving in opposite direction, it will be minus v. So let us see the option. A, V, no, it is wrong answer. 2V, no, it will not add up. Third, C, minus V, no, it is also wrong answer. Fourth, D part 0, I am showing you, that is minus V plus V, it will become 0. So, fourth is right answer. And the last question, a change in velocity. Now try to understand from where it will come a change in velocity. Results from inertia? No. Require an unbalanced force? Yes, we have studied in second law that whenever unbalanced force is applied, the body comes in motion. So change in velocity will be there. So that is B is the right answer. Third, you see, result from zero net force? No. If zero net force, no body will move. So no changes will be there. And last is the natural state of motion? No. Natural state of motion is the Newton's first law, that if the body is moving, it will continue to be in motion. So what we have to do? We have to apply unbalanced force to change its velocity. So out of this four, option B is right. So students, you revise your NCERT questions. Okay.